morning to one and all. I am Vasavi of grade 10. Today I have chosen topic, if I were to be Chief Minister. From childhood, I have been very fascinated to become a leader. I know that I am capable of holding everything responsibly. First of all, I would like to eradicate corruption. I would severely punish those who take bribes. Next, I would give resignation letters to those old sick politicians, because those who are unable to handle themselves, how could they handle the whole state? I know that in our country and as well as state, there are millions of people who are poor. I know that they deserve equal opportunities in social, political, etc. spheres. And I know that these caste differences and caste-based reservations are causing problems to those who belong to other castes. I would change the admission procedure such that the deserved ones get the admissions but not the reserved ones. In our society, there is another social political issue, that is ignorance and illiteracy. To eradicate illiteracy, I have few plans to implement. I would like to eradicate illiteracy because literacy plays an important role in the development of individual as well as the society. I would severely punish those who commit crimes against ladies as well as children. I would like to curb regionalism, which we can see in our present day lives. I will take all the promises and responsibilities carefully and implement according to the promises that I do to my citizens. Thank you and have a nice day.
I'm Sai Preetham of grade 10. Now I have chosen a topic is climate change a serious threat. Why can't greenhouse effect, global warming, CNG gases are the extreme climatic conditions which causes threat to our Earth's atmosphere. Why can't you find a polar bear? Why could you find a polar bear on a tiny piece of ice? It is so because global warming is affecting the ice in the polar regions. Because of the global warming, the ice in the polar regions melts, and the polar bear we can find is on a small piece of ice. Why are the oceans rising? The answer is global warming. Global warming is defined as a rise in the Earth's temperature, rise in the temperature of the Earth's atmosphere. The sun's rays reflect the Earth and trapped by the carbon dioxide. Our Earth's atmosphere is made up of gases like nitrogen, oxygen and several other gases like carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide and methane. Greenhouse effect increase in the consumption of users of fossil fuels like coal, gas, oil, petrol causes greenhouse effect. Let more of carbon dioxide, which leads to greenhouse effect. Carbon dioxide destroys the ozone layer, which is 20 miles above the Earth's surface. Due to greenhouse effect, the ice in the polar region melt and the coastal regions are getting flooded. Due to greenhouse effect, the polar region gets ice free by summer 2050. The plant species and animal species are driven to the extinction by the year 2050. Reduction of greenhouse effect. Use bicycle or walk or use bicycle instead of using scooters or cars while for traveling short distances. Do not waste paper. Recycle the empty containers and plastic bottles. Reduce the use of electricity. Off fans and lights when not needed.
Good morning to one and all. This is Shivanjali of grade 9. I would like to talk about child labor. Child labor is a business term which means to employ children children at work at the age below 14 years. The child is father of man. This famous saying, quoted by William Wordsworth, refers to the importance of children in the world. Our government had laid few guidelines to eradicate the custom of child labor. 1. To not employ children below the age of 14 years. B. Free education for children and for handicapped people. And we have to eradicate the child labor, and among all the countries in the world, India is also a country where child labor is taking place. Now, I would like to share an incident which I had been witnessed. So, when I was passing the road, I saw a boy who was horribly child labor, and he was burned his legs, and it was a horrible incident which I have been witnessed. So I am an Indian who will eradicate the child labor in our country. So thank you.